You do not need a $40,000 car to get something reliable in America. In fact, some of the smartest buyers are spending under $15,000 and getting cars that last over 200,000 miles. Number 3. Mazda 3. Nobody talks about this car enough. It's cheaper than a Honda Civic, but the reliability is surprisingly good. Great gas mileage, sporty feel, and clean interiors. Most used models sell between $9,000 and $13,000. Number 2. Honda Civic. This thing is everywhere for a reason. Cheap maintenance, strong resale value, and insane fuel economy. Mechanics trust them, owners love them, and good used models usually cost around $12,000 to $14,500. And number 1. Toyota Corolla. Probably the safest used car purchase you can make. These cars are famous for surviving 250,000 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Reliable engine, cheap parts, and excellent MPG. Most clean models range from $11,000 to $14,500. So here's the question: would you still buy a brand new car after seeing these prices?